Hey, thank you, God, for the breakthrough. I really want to thank you for the breakthrough. Sex is not better than a breakthrough. You go through hell, you go through something that's chaotic or crisis type, and God brings you through. Man, I made it. I really made it. I thank God for an angel. What you sent me, I totally appreciate it. When I had a breakthrough, I'm excited. Whew. I get to exhale today, and that's all that matters is just to exhale today. I feel great. I want to thank you, God, for everything. I want to pray for everybody. I love all y'all. Nobody is an enemy. Nobody does anything wrong. All of y'all are right. All y'all do good things. Y'all never do bad. Everything is all right. Today is a blessed day, like the rest of them, but I just want to say it while I'm feeling good. You know, I'm feeling real good. Thank you, God, for the breakthrough. I love y'all much, very much. I want to tell you something for sure that y'all need to know. Stay positive. As you go through something rough, you pass through it, you're going to have a breakthrough. I promise. Just hang in there and keep giving God the credit and giving God the glory. You'll be fine. I promise. Trust me on this. I don't actually trust me on nothing else, but trust me on this. I love y'all.